Can you be overweight and healthy? Yes. Hey everyone, this is Patra from Poshan Fitness. You can be overweight and healthy just like someone can be in their ideal weight and still be unhealthy. So how does that work? There's this term called metabolically healthy, and what that means is that as long as you're not under any prescription medication, you can work out, you're fit, you can do whatever activities that you want on a daily basis without depending on anyone else. You can sleep well, you can eat well and digest it well, and you can be happy, you can smile, and people like to be around you. It means that you're healthy, doesn't matter what is your age or what is your weight. So what does it has to do with the ideal weight? Well, ideal weight is just a number. There's nothing ideal about our height or weight. There's no ideal height, there's no ideal weight, there's no ideal husband or ideal wife or ideal salary. It's just what works for us and what fits us. So what should you do to get into a ideal weight category? Just ignore the part that it is just an ideal weight category. And what should you do about BMI? Because my doctor keeps telling me that I have to be in this BMI range between 21 and 25. Well, BMI is a flawed concept. Because BMI just takes into account only your height and weight. It doesn't take into account your muscle mass, your bone mass, your insulin sensitivity, your hormones, your metabolism, your energy levels, none of these things. It just takes into account your height and your weight. It is a flawed concept because it is an estimation for an eligibility criteria for a bariatric surgery. I've mentioned this in a previous video as well. BMI is not something that will decide or judge your health. You can be in your ideal weight category and still have all other lifestyle issues and diseases and other things. New Year is just around the corner, and it's that time of the year everyone will be thinking about, oh, this is my ideal weight and I have to get into this weight by this time. Now what happens when we do some crazy restrictive diet just to get into that height or ideal weight category is that we end up losing our muscle mass, and we hamper our insulin sensitivity, our sugar levels, our hormones and metabolism, and this makes us more prone to diseases, not just the communicable diseases but also the lifestyle diseases in a longer run. So we get more prone to getting a thyroid issue or a PCOS or a diabetes or a hypertension or other issues just because we are trying to fit into something. So what should we do? Just ignore that there is an ideal weight or a healthy BMI category, but measure your cells or your health just with the energy levels, how you feel about your cells, how much workout you can do, how fit you are, how much stamina you have, how is your insulin sensitivity, how is your sleep quality, your skin clarity, your metabolism, and how good you feel about your cells totally. You can just be in your ideal size or weight or in an hourglass shape or have a six-pack and still feel terrible about yourselves. You can be irritable, nobody likes to be around you, or you can have a terrible digestive system. You cannot eat what you want, you cannot enjoy what you want. Then what's the point in living like that just because you're fitting into something? As I've always said, the easiest way to lose weight is to fall sick, because you're going to quickly lose a few pounds or a few kilos because you're going to lose your water, you're going to lose your muscle mass. But that is not going to improve any of your health parameters, be your insulin sensitivity or sugar levels or cholesterol or your heart health or your brain health or even your fitness. So what's the best way to get fit? Eat sustainably, consistently, every meal, and focus on improving your workout, increase your workout intensity. Now WHO has released its new exercise guidelines, and what that says is that we should work out at least 150 to 300 minutes per week. It was initially just 150 minutes per week, and now it's 150 to 300 minutes of moderate to vigorous workout every week. That means it's somewhere around 45 minutes per day for 7 days a week, or an hour a day for 5 days a week. So next time somebody talks to you about ideal weight or healthy BMI, just look at them, smile, and walk away.